Today we are going to see how to start a beauty parlor or spa. Normally, if you see in our village, in our city, there will be lot of small salon shops. So this beauty parlor or spa is something little higher than that, slightly higher than that normal salons. Because in normal salon they will do only hair cutting, but in beauty parlor they will do like makeup, then hair dyeing, then coloring, then facial and all everything they will do extra. So normally if you see nowadays, for cutting for that ordinary salon they will ask 100 to 120. In if you see like naturals, green trends, or and then Meebo, like that many are there. If you see, there will be asking 450, 500 and all. So if you want to start a spa or beauty parlor, so you have to go, you have to fix hair cutting, shaving, and that margin must be very less compared to that, because then only, because as you are going to start a new one, so you have to make these studies and all. So here beauty parlor, salon, spa, you can go under Mudra scheme, UEGP, PMEGP, stand-up, any scheme you can go. So maximum 5 to 10 lakhs the loan limit, because I have seen many people, they have taken 14 lakhs, 18 lakhs, 20 lakhs. They couldn't repay the amount because income will be this much only. So daily income only nearly maximum 10% morning, 30 people in a day make maximum will come. So according to that only our income will be coming. So if you are getting bank loan or any loan more than 10 lakhs, it will affect our net profit or income. So because if you see 5 lakhs, if I am getting loan amount, so for this loan amount is for this furnitures, equipments, interiors, everything we will be getting. So according to that, you have to minimize that. So 5 lakhs, if I take the bank loan, monthly I have to pay 10,000. So yearly I have to pay 44,000. For 10 lakhs, 5 years I have to pay 87,000. So for 7 years I have to pay 99,000. So according to that, you have to see it clearly. If you see, that's why I have given here what are the requirements, how much, what are the investments, what are the opportunities, what is the interest calculations. I have in all my video I specifically tell that before starting any job you have to discuss with your family, wife, mother, father, brother, friends and relatives. You gather input, then you decide, you do market study, then you start, then only it will be helpful to you, because mere hard work it will not help. So sincere hard work, then discussion, listening to the experiences, expertise you must do share. Who are the expertise means in your street, if there are 2-3 shops, you go and meet them, because you can get, because they are the only real sources to tell you. So you tell them, I am not a competitor to you, I want to just start this, what are the this plus and minus everything you can discuss this. So here is the requirements and the bank loan, project report, how to prepare it, then what are the income and expenses, how the provisional balance sheet I have to make it, and what are the balance sheets, projected balance sheet and all, how to make it. It's a complete nutshell to you. My sincere request is that please subscribe my channel. If anything, put in the comment box. Any project report or any new business if you have, please kindly put in the comment box. Surely a video I will present to you by getting the information, correct information and best information from the market. Okay, requirements. So if you starting a salon, beauty parlor in a main area, the busy area, so 200 square feet is enough. But if you are starting the beauty parlor salon in somewhat second street of the main area, third street line, so 500 square feet with parking and all, if there is, it will be good. Because a lot of people will come by car or bike, they have to stand in the, they have to keep their vehicle safe. So according to that, you have to make it. What are the furniture, equipments, the revolving chair, AC, benches, TV, everything, what are the things, interiors, what are you going to do, a complete set, complete quotation you have to submit. So what is the brand name? There are like natural, green cartons, competitors are there, heavy competitors, then Meebo, lot of, how you are going to compete with this, what will be the rate to you, because ordinary salon 100 to 120. So if natural is paying for hair cutting 450, what is yours, like in between 300 or 250. so it will be a mere good for you. What are the extra services you are going to give to them also? It's a main thing, added advantages. So manpower is the main thing, and what is the brand name you are going to start, what is your own margin, and bank loan what you are asking. This is a complete setup you must know, because if you go to bank, the bank manager will ask three questions. What is the bank loan you want to do, bank loan, what is the amount, where you are going to start, how you are going to repay it. This is three questions they will ask. So you must answer to these questions, and more than that you can repeat these information to him. Sir, this much amount, 5 lakhs, so I will pay 87,000 interest, I will get this much income, and also I am going to many marriage functions, other function, makeup, I am getting 1 lakh, I have not added in that in this also. Like that, if you tell added advantages to you. So investment means main location you have to do, you must do a market study, then only it will be good. You make advertisement of your beauty salon, like a big board and all with the different colors and all. So you have to make it so quick, you have to make it very quickly to the customers. So customer must not wait. So quick services must be there. So equipments are the brands and all what I are going to do. Interiors, what are the interiors you are going to put. So my sincere advice is that don't spend more money in interiors or equipments, because they are fixed asset. They will because you have to have some in cash in current asset. So you must make it. So don't put more in interiors and equipments. Extra plus, what are the extra, like hair dyeing, blacking, then removal and all. What are the extra services you are going to do and all, you have to put it. So what are the opportunities? A new style, or like male and female both you are going to serve it, or only male or female, you have to decide it according to the market study. So only male, if I put, whether my income will be there, if female, if I put, when income will be there, if both, if I put, if any safety is, so everything you have to see, and you have to make whether male, female or both. So new styles, lesser rate, compared to lesser rate, extra services like hair dyeing, coloring, this and that, AC fittings and all you have to do. Marriage function, if you go marriage function and do, it's added advantage, the amount it will be there. So mainly this beauty parlors are being started by ladies, and they are getting income, because I have seen many ladies, they had started this beauty parlor and successfully doing. One beauty parlor is like in Coimbatore, they are starting in Tirupur near Mettupalayam, like that within this surrounding three, they are putting 2 people or 3 people and managing this very well, because nowadays people, college, like schools, children itself, schools, colleges, then ladies, women, everybody is interested in makeup. So they are if they are ready to spend for their beauty, so it will fetch more income for them, for the beauty parlor people, those who start. So opportunities, new style, lesser rate, marriage function, everything. So if you see in this calculation, 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs or 8 lakhs, you have to decide it. According to that, you have to make your bank loan. So if you go to bank loan, first rental agreement, where you are going to start it, what is the loan amount, what are the own contribution, how much you have to go. So 10 lakhs if it is the equipment, everything is coming, normally 25% you have to have your contribution. If you go for subsidy of Mudra, UEGP, PMEGP, that DIC, District Industrial Center, they are the nodal agency, they will tell that we will give 20% of that their margin, only 5% we will get from them, like that there is there. So according to that, on my own contribution, there must be a calculation. MSME certificate must be there. Quotation must, you must give it. So all that NEFT, RTGS, DD will be go to them only. PAN card, Aadhaar card has to be submitted. Account, you must be the account holder of the particular bank. Then it will be good, because you will have a good relationship, long relationship with the bank. So they will have it. So TIC.co, they are the nodal agencies for giving this. Complete, and the complete application if you submit, it will be best for you. Project report, in that what is your name, what is the activity, where you are going to start your salon, beauty parlor, loan amount, how much there, DSR calculation means if you have taken 5 lakhs for 5 years, how you are going to pay. If you have taken 10 lakhs for 7 years, how you are going to pay. So if any sudden demand, if it comes, how you are going to, everything it will be there in the DSCR, all the ratios. then provision balance sheet you have to submit it according to that. How, what are the income, what are the expenses, how much you will be having in hand money if any sudden arises, how you are going to pay for interest, how you are going to pay for taxes, everything will be there. So history of you, how you are going to start, because if you are working natural for last 5 years, daily this much customer I used to see, different customers, different styles, this much, there are nearly 13 styles and different hair cuttings. So like that, if you tell, it is added advantage to the bank manager that he will be impressed by that. So market study, ratio, repayment how 5 years or 7 years, how you are going to repay it, everything must be given it here clearly. Then if you see this income and expenses, normally daily 30%, morning 10, afternoon 10, evening 10, like that 10 I have put. So 150 rupees for hair cutting I have put, only hair cutting, so no hair removal I have not put, other charges. So this is a rough calculation, that's why I have put minimum calculation itself. You will be getting daily 4,500, monthly you will be getting 1,12,500, yearly you will be getting 30,50,000 yearly, surely you will be getting. So monthly expenses will be like manpower is the main thing, 2 manpowers are there, so yearly 3,60,000. Then EB charges 4,000 per month, and rent is 5,000 per month. Bank interest is 87,000. So total if you see 5,50,000 is a total interest you are going to pay for the expenses, and if you minus this is your profit. It's a profit. Like 7,95,000 is a profit. Daily if you see 2,05,000 you will be getting a profit. Monthly 66,000 your monthly salary, your salary will be there. So added here, if you are one of the manpower here also, you will be getting money. So beyond that I have put 66,000 you will be getting enough for running a very good business. So balance sheet if you see, sales I have put this income of 30,50,000, expenses I have put, I have minus that sales minus expenses, and net profit of 7,95,000 I have got. This is my best profit I have got. Provision and balance sheet means and this is asset side, this is liabilities side. Here capital will be there. I have 2 lakhs in my hand at any time. I am the owner. 2 lakhs I have invested for advances to, like that there is. So current liability 1 lakh. Liability I have 1 lakh I have borrowed outside from bank. Term liability 8 lakhs I have borrowed from bank for purchasing equipments, furniture, fitting, everything. Interiors. Sunday creditors 1 lakh I have to pay to my friends and relatives. Totally 2 lakhs will be there. Here fixed asset 10 lakhs total fixed asset I have purchased out of the bank loan. Current asset is 1 lakh I am having in hand for powder, materials, everything to get it. And sundry debtors is 1 lakh they have to pay to me. Total 2 lakhs is a matching. From this I am doing my profit and loss account every year. I am getting sales of 30,50,000 here. So in this if you see daily, monthly and yearly, it's a very good calculation I have put. This is a correct calculation. Before starting your business, you discuss with your family, wife, mother, friends and relatives, do market study and start this business. So any businesses, there is no low, high, everything. It is to make us our income only. So it's my best wishes is that you start it. Before starting it, you make a study, and if you start this business, it will fetch you a very good income, and you also surely will command in future to me that you are succeeded. So anything, any particular project, any need, please kindly message in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.